Wee.
Look at this. It is a prawnfit fish.
Bye, have a great time.
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Bye, have a great time.
Okay.
Look at this. It is a lobster. Look at this. It is a common fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Okay.
Look at this. It is a red devil fish. Look at this. It is a pearl gourmet fish.
Whoa!
Look at this. It is a turtle. Look at this. It is a common fish.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Oh no!
Woohoo!
Look at this. This is tilapia fish. Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. It is a broom fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Yay!
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Yeah!
Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look at this. It is a broom fish.
Yes.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Goodbye.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a goldfish. Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Woohoo!
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish. Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo!
Goodbye.